5 surprising things that will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute. Number 1. Boost your metabolism. Planking is an excellent way of challenging your entire body because doing them every day will burn more calories than other traditional abdominal exercises such as crunches or sit-ups. It enhances metabolic weight, but it will also ensure that metabolic weight remains high all day long. Number 2. Improve core definition and performance. Planks are ideal exercise for the abdominal muscles exactly because they engage all major core muscles groups including the transverse abdominis, the rectus abdominis, the external oblique muscle and the glutes. Number 3 is decrease your risk of injury in back and spinal column. Doing planks is a type of exercise that allows you to build muscle while also making sure that you are not putting too much pressure on your spine or hips. No doubt it reduces back pain, but it also strengthens your muscle and ensures a strong support for your entire back, especially in the areas around your upper back. Number 4 is improve your posture. Planking exercise have a great impact and improvement on your posture. This is a great news as a strong posture brings with it a huge number of fantastic benefits. A good posture keeps your bones and joints in the correct alignment, which means both your bones and joint will be better maintained and healthier, but also means the overall effectiveness of your muscle will be improved. Number 5. Improve overall balance. It improving your balance by doing side planks and planks with extension. You will boost your performance in every kind of sporting activity. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button for more videos. Thank you very much.